Hello and welcome to the channel again, and today we have got a full house clean on, so we'll have a look at what we've got to do. So we've got this drive here to do, a few weeds on it and a bit of moss, so that'll all need pressure washing. We've also got gutters and fascias to do, front and back, and then on top of that roof we've got there's a few plants growing and bits and pieces, so that'll all be cleaned up as well. So we'll get cracking on this and see how we get on with it. So we've got a bit of gardening to do now. There's all this growing on the roof. So I'm going to use my hook from GVS just to loosen up the gravel and then pull the plants out and just tidy all this up as well. So the plan now is to wash the fascias down, and I'm going to be using the Constant Flow with Synergy Pro Clean in it. I've got my pole there for cleaning it down, for applying it, and then I'm going to be using the Big Evolution pressure washer with my pressure lance, but I'm going to turn the pressure right down and test that and see how that goes. Save setting up a different pressure washer just for cleaning this. So we'll crack on with this and see how it goes. So I turned the pressure right down on the pressure washer and also turned the revs down as well. And it hardly turned the turbo nozzle, but it did a really good job. So I decided to use the turbo nozzle on the whole of the drive rather than the flat surface cleaner. There were a lot of weeds in it and some of them were quite thick, and I thought it's just not worth even trying, it won't fetch them out. So the turbo nozzle gets right down in between the blocks and really pulls out the weeds. That's the biggest part of the drive done. So what we're going to do now is clean up along that edge. We'll sweep all this up and bag that up so we're not washing it all down the drain. And then what I like to do is where the drain runs out, I just stick my sweeping brush over the top of it, and that way any muck that gets into the channel stops before it goes down the hole. So these white bags that I'm using are from Screwfix. I picked this idea up off Smoot's pressure washing videos. Jake came up with this. They're a woven bag, so when you put really sloppy wet mud into it, it does let the water out and makes them a lot lighter to move around. now all I got left to do is give the windows a clean down, and I'll clean next doors as well because that's splashed across there a bit, and put the last few bits and pieces away, and then come back and sand up. The drive was dry enough, but down by the door where it's in the shade still isn't. So I might get it done this afternoon, I might not. So a couple of days later and we're back for resanding. So there we go, another job done, and just in time as well, as it's just about to start raining, so just got the sanding done in time. So this one's all done. The gutters and fascias are all washed and emptied out, and the driveway has all been pressure washed and sanded. So another very happy customer. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, make sure you hit the thumbs up button. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.